I'm Dr. Raghavendra, CEO of Sairadhya Organics and Seed Technology Private Limited. So we started our organization with a vision and mission to provide healthy and efficient organic and biological agriculture system in India by supporting our government initiatives like sustainable agriculture and doubling the farmers' income in India. The basic idea behind our startup is to provide solution with our organic and biological seed treatment technologies and products for converting the inefficient and unsafe, harmful chemical seed treatments of Indian seed industry, which is also responsible for 15 to 20% of economic loss every year. And we have analyzed in the market and researched in the market that this idea of organic and biological seed coating technology and the products has a great potential in our Indian seed industry market, as it is at very starting stage, and also it is very much essential for the Indian seed industry which is looking for converting organic farming. Currently we are working and serving with our startup in three business verticals, like one is organic agriculture and seed technology, and finally consulting and services. Along with that, we are also dealing with some seed technology equipments which are used for seed cleaning, seed coating, seed drying and seed quality upgrading, as well as seed quality analytical equipment. We have also got Startup India certificate from Startup India, so which can also help our organization to boost further. Last but not least, our organization, our startup got incubated at Manage, Hyderabad under RKVY Raftar initiative of Ministry of Agriculture, India. Along with that, we have also incubated and partnered with VAIM organization and Save Foundation in Hyderabad for serving mutually as well as growing and expanding our organization pan India level. Thank you.